All right, very good. K2 attention.
1, 2, 3.
Eyes on me. Good. Let's get started. All right, show me your hands. Very good. And stand up. And sit down. Stand up. Let's turn around. Turn around slowly. Okay, hands like this. Be careful. Turn around fast. Good. And let's go fast. Turn around like a dolphin. Turn around like a monkey. Turn around like quietly, Alex. Like hooray. What does hooray turn around like? How about hooray, 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 hooray. Good job. How about turn around like the ocean, right? All right, at a time, start quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2. Eva, sit anywhere, okay? Good job. 5, 4, 3. Who's sitting nicely? Good job. All right, so some people yesterday sent me English homework videos. Good job. So let's look at who sent in the homework videos last night. Mackenzie. Mackenzie can have 3 rainbow points. Come fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast, fast. And Carlos. Carlos can have 3 because he sent me video homework last night. Carlos, fast, fast, fast. Hey, be patient, please. Good job. And Eleanor. Eleanor, you sent to me last night. Good job. Kelly. Eddie, you sent me. And that is it. Carlos, you got rainbows, yes? Okay then. Alright, so down quickly. 5, 4, 3. Your rainbows are backwards. Backwards. Alright. Alright guys, let's think about the vowels that we know. And today, I want us to put our vowels somewhere different. Okay? We are actually going to put our vowels up here today. Up here. So remember our sentence structure. Letter bala bala is a vowel. Okay, who can tell me a vowel? Raise your hands nicely and quietly. Hi, 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 hi. Higher, higher, higher. A vowel while sitting nicely. How about Alex? Give me a vowel. Letter. Letter A is a vowel. Come here, quickly, quickly, quickly. Good. Who else? Okay, Evan, give me a vowel. Letter E is a vowel. Good job, coming up. No interrupting. How about Thomas? Give me a vowel. Letter U is a vowel. Come on, quickly, quickly, quickly. Good job. What else is a vowel? Oscar. Letter I is a vowel. Good job. Good job. Oh, that's a little high, huh? Yeah, a little bit. Good job. Alright, what's the last vowel? So we're sitting nicely and quietly, no noise. Oh, should he be standing? I'm looking at Eleanor. Eleanor, what's the last vowel? Letter O is a vowel. Good job, baby. Excellent. Good job. Alright, let's get back together. I'll use my wand. Yes, they are. Alright, let's get together. Letter A is a vowel. Letter E is a vowel. Letter U is a vowel. Letter I is a vowel. Letter O is a vowel. Good job. Excellent. Now, what are the 5 vowels? Remember the sentence structure is the 5 vowels are... Oh, raise your hands quietly. Mackenzie. There. Oh. A-E-I. Oh, you. Very good. Someone else. Raise their hands nicely. How about Carlos? Good job. All right. Can we be quiet, please, while others speak? Kelly, what are the 5 vowels? Good. Hooray. What are the 5 vowels? Good job. Who else? May, what are the 5 vowels? Good. And Eddie, what are the 5 vowels? The 5 vowels are? Good job. Excellent. Danny, go ahead. What are the 5 vowels?
5 vowels are A, I, O, U.
Good. Thomas, do you want to try? Raise your hand. Thomas, go ahead.
5 vowels are A, I, O, U.
Good job. Excellent. So now let's look over here at our letters for this week. Let's review these. I know you know them. Who's sitting nicely? Mackenzie, I need hands on knees. Thank you. Eva, hands on knees. Thank you so much. All right. Now, all these words you guys know, Eddie, and we can use them with these letters. So let's remember, what letter is it? What does W say? What is W for? Aiden? W is for watch. Good job. Where's watch? Good job. What else? What else? W is for? Kelly? W is for window. Good job. What else is W for? Eddie, sit next to me, please. Eddie, what is W for? W is for whale. Good, come to whale. Yeah. All right. Oh, we have one more. One more. Shh. Don't interrupt. Nate, what is W for? Web. Good job. Coming up left. Let's sing that. Oh, sorry. Let's sing it. Put it here. All right. Let's say it together. It's letter W. What does W say? What is W for? What is W for? Watch. What is W for? What is W for? For web. Good job. And W is for whale. Now this letter is very special because it is also the letter for our cultural word. A cultural word that we learned. Yes. And don't interrupt. Who's sitting nicely? I need hands on knees for you to be sitting nicely, Evan. Thank you so much. Okay. Who can tell me what letter is it? And what does C say? What is C for Aiden? C is for cat. Good, come take it, bud. You raise your hand. What is C for Thomas? C is for car. Come take car. What else is C for Jaden? C is for couplets. Good job. C is for couplets. Yes, oh, Max. Ooh, this one's very special. What is C for? Good job. Good job. Go on, okay, so we have one more. C is for Gavin. C is for can. Yeehaw. Good job. All right. Should we sing over again? Yeah, well, underwear's not for C, is it? All right, let's sing together. It's letter C. What does C say? What is C for? What is C for? Again, C is for couplet. What is C for? Good. C is for carrot. What is C for? Good. What is C for? Good job. We're going to do this letter, and then we're going to have good. Eva, what letter is it? What does U say? What is U for Riley? Come on, Riley. Come try. Come take it. Good job. How about someone who has to try? Jojo, what is U for? U is for umbrella. Useful these days. No interrupting, Carlos. I'm sitting nicely and quietly. Thomas, what is U for? Underwear. Very good. Underwear. Good job. All right, let's say that together. It's letter U. What does U say? What is U for? What is U for? What is U for? Good job. Excellent, guys. Okay, now let's sing a song. You want to sing Patty LaBelle? Yes. Let me see if I have it. Let me see if I have it. Let me see if I have it, okay? K2B? Thank you. I was like quiet, please, but let's do this first. I don't think I have it today. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Good. bum, 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 bum. All right. Well, I cannot find my ABC Kung Fu books. We're going to do it from memory. It's right here. All right, guys. ABC Kung Fu. Thank you, Carlos. All right, K2B. Good job. Excellent. Okay, show me hands, show me hands, show me hands. Let's rhyme. Ready? Lad, hat. Tap, rap. Nut, hut. Yell, tell. Fun, run. Hill, pill. Now, show me your hands like this. You're going to tell me if it rhymes. If it rhymes, show me yes. If it doesn't rhyme, show me no. Are you ready? Are you really ready? Okay, show me your hands like this. Ready? Maple, table. Yes, good job. Okay, how about window, window? Window, window rhymes. Okay, how about when that doesn't rhyme? I'll help you. Ready? Monkey, piano. No, that does not rhyme. How about Rabel, table? Yes, good. Okay, how about hop, mop? Does it rhyme? Show me yes, show me yes. All right, how about picnic, window? No. Okay, how about floor, ceiling? No. Okay, we're working on the rhyme still. All right, how about ceiling, wheeling? Yes, good job. Okay, excellent. Now, let's do this. Let's do initial letter sounds. Show me hands, show me hands. Ready? Eva, ready? Me. Make. Puff, puff, pack. Quack, quack, quack. Rake. Sam. Hang on, guys. Riley, Dwin Dwin, Evan, Eula. I need you all to be doing the movements, okay? Do you understand this or not? Let's try it again. Sam. Good. Yup, yup, yeah. Happy. Good job. Okay, let's keep going. Oscar, ready? Gum. Very good. Now, final letter sounds. Let's do final letter sounds. Let's do this. Ready? One. High. Silk. Carlos, ready? Cube. Buck. Gab. Buck. Good. Aiden. Very good. Aiden. Move. Box. Wife. Good job. Excellent. Now we're going to do syllables. Table. How many syllables? 2. How about ball? 1 syllable. Okay, how about windowsill? 3. Good job. How about ceiling fan? How many? 3. Good job. Okay, how about monkey? 2. How about Mackenzie? How many Mackenzie? Mackenzie. Who's saying 4? There's not 4. 3. Good Jaden. Good Eddie. Good job. Carlos, there's 3 babies. How about Squish? How about another one? Alex. How many? 2. How about Eddie? How many? How about... Okay, Douglas. How many? 2. How about Vicky? How many? 2. Good job. Excellent. All right, now let's do some more. Let's see what else we have. Oh! Do you guys want to have